Hey there! Today we have a problem to tackle. We have a data frame with some interesting structure, and we want to create a visualization using geometry_tile. The challenge here is to display the var variables on the y-axis, while the x-axis showcases the categorical index. The filling of the tiles should be based on whether the variables are 1, 0, or 1. Additionally, we need to include the cumulative_proportion variable on the x-axis, with the tile scale based on the proportion. It's quite a specific task, but we'll figure it out together. Now, let's delve into the solution for our visualization. The code snippet provided utilizes ggplot2 and dplyr to manipulate the data frame. By using geometrical_rect instead of geometry_tile, we can create rectangles for our visualization. The code calculates the position of the rectangles based on the cumulative_proportion variable and scales them accordingly. This approach allows us to represent the data in a clear and concise manner, aiding in the visualization of our dataset. In summary, we've successfully addressed the challenge of creating a complex visualization that incorporates multiple variables and scales. By leveraging ggplot2 and dplyr, we were able to manipulate the data frame and generate a visually informative plot. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you're now ready to tackle similar visualization tasks in your own projects. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any questions. Until next time, happy coding!